Imagine standing in the middle of a desert and finding a giant ship. Not a wreck washed ashore. Not a movie prop. A real fishing vessel stranded on dry sand. How could a ship end up hundreds of miles from the sea? The answer is one of the greatest environmental stories of the modern world. Just decades ago, the Aral Sea was one of the largest inland lakes on Earth. Stretching across parts of Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan, it supported thriving fishing communities and rich wildlife. Thousands of people depended on its waters for their livelihoods. But in the 1960s, large rivers feeding the Aral Sea were increasingly diverted to irrigate farmland. As less water reached the lake, the shoreline began to retreat. Year after year, the sea became smaller. As the water disappeared, fishing boats were left behind. Harbors became dry land. Entire fleets ended up stranded on what had become desert. Today, rusting ships sit surrounded by sand, creating one of the most surreal landscapes on Earth. The exposed lake bed, now called the Aralkum Desert, has also created new environmental challenges. Winds can carry dust mixed with salt from the former seabed across surrounding regions, affecting agriculture and local communities. The abandoned ships have become powerful symbols of how dramatically landscapes can change within a single human lifetime. Not all hope has been lost. In northern Kazakhstan, the construction of the Kokaral Dam has helped restore part of the North Aral Sea. Water levels have risen, fish populations have recovered in some areas, and local fishing has partially returned, while much of the southern Aral Sea remains greatly diminished. Restoration efforts show that environmental recovery is possible, though it can take years of careful management. Scientists continue studying the region to understand both its decline and its recovery. Think about it. A sea turned desert, ships became monuments, and one of Earth's greatest lakes became a reminder that even landscapes we think are permanent can change faster than we imagine. Follow for more geographies, history, and incredible true stories.